All right, ready? Hello, we are presenting the prototype of the improved dining hall. The goal of this project is to create a better dining hall experience. Thus, our three primary features are letting users change the wait time of a food station, having users rate and review a dish and view other comments, and toggling availability of a dish to know when it is no longer available. First, users go to the menu, where stations are separated by a colored bar indicating how busy it is. Users can click on this colored bar to update the line length of that station. They are presented with three different line length options to give a Likert scale-like choice with a neutral option. The buttons change color to give the user positive feedback. Moreover, the colors mimic that of a traffic light from green to red, leading to a positive transfer effect. Once the user clicks Submit, a success dialog pops up to give users positive feedback. The back end of the line length page will sort a number of hits of a specific button. Count function is also used for each button. We get a variable representing the number of hits of a specific button, and we find the max of that to determine what color to make the bar. The change in color is controlled by a JavaScript function that changes the background of the station bar based on the max count variable.
When back at the menu, we can click on specific foods. When we do this, we are redirected to the food page, and at the top, we have a button called Reviews, which goes to the forum page. On the forum, the users can see the average rating, along with each person's rating and any comments they've made. This is a static representation of the forum, which will be explained shortly. When users click on the Add Your Review button, they go to the Rating/Review page. At the top of the screen are 5 blank stars. Stars change color as users click on them, giving them positive feedback the button is working. Users can then type their comments in the box, and after they hit the Submit button, a pop-up comes up giving them feedback indicating that their rating/review has been received. When users hit the Submit button, we have to manually, an email is sent to our account, and we have to manually update the forum with this new comment. This could be better implemented in the future with a third-party forum.
In order to update the availability of a dish, we return to a dish's information page. Here is a button to toggle if the dish is being served or not. Users get feedback in the form of a pop-up box telling them that the change has been successfully recorded and the color of the box has been changed to its opposite. From this prototype, we learned that we need to provide feedback for each user action so that they know they are using the app properly. We also needed back buttons on each page so users do not get stuck on a certain page. The app needs to have the infrastructure for storing and computing crowdsourced data for the line length and star ratings. There also needs to be a way to make sure that when the availability button is clicked, or if a new review is posted, the site updates in real time. Optimally, there would be a button that sorts reviews based on rating, date, and topic.
We will be using usability testing to evaluate our prototype. The purpose of usability testing is to evaluate the product's usability, gather qualitative and quantitative information, and assess participant satisfaction. Benefits of using this method are that it helps to uncover and identify any problems or errors, determines whether participants can effectively perform the tasks given, assess the level of participant satisfaction with the prototype. It is also cost and time effective, and it helps to evaluate the effectiveness to see if it satisfies our usability goals. As per our evaluation goal, we will develop user tasks that the participants will need to perform. For example, if our evaluation goals are users able to gain knowledge about different dishes being served at different dining halls, and can users anticipate the wait time for different stations, then respectively, the participants will perform the tasks of choosing a dining hall and finding the dishes available and checking wait times for a specific station.
We'll be using 2 metrics to analyze our data. First, the number of participants unable to complete a task will give us the error rate for completing a task. Next, we will use subjective metrics such as participation satisfaction and ease of use to tell us if the dining app is really giving the users a better experience and if it is easier to navigate. We will be having 5 participants. According to an article on NN Group, the optimal number of participants in a usability testing is 5. More participants do not offer better data, and it increases the time and efficiency cost. We find that people will cover different profiles such as a diverse range of allergies, dietary restrictions, disabilities, unusual meal times using a Google form. We'll recruit and incentivize using a free dining hall swipe, and each member has contributed an equal 20% to the project.